Is your PS5 getting overheated? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Allow the system to cool down. When PS5 is overheated, shut it down. Make sure your PS5 is fully powered off, not just in rest mode. You can do this by pressing and holding the power button on the console until it beeps twice and the power indicator light turns off. Carefully disconnect the power cable from the back of the PS5. Ensure that it is completely unplugged and not just loosely connected. Allow the PS5 to sit without power for a few hours. This helps to reset the system and dissipate any residual heat and allow the system to cool down. Method 2. Check the power cord. Carefully examine the entire length of the power cord for any signs of damage, such as fraying, cuts, or exposed wires. If the power cord is damaged, replace with the one that is compatible with your PS5. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for safely replacing the power cord. Also, ensure that the power cord is plugged directly into a wall outlet. Avoid using extension cords or power strips, as they can sometimes cause power fluctuations resulting in overheating of the console. Method 3. Update software. The next thing you should do is check for updates. To update the system software, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then select System Software section. Select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Method 4. Clean the console. Turn off and unplug your PS5 and use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean the console. Avoid using any liquids or cleaning solutions. Dirt and foreign substances can accumulate, causing performance and overheating issues. You can also use a can of compressed air to blow around the console. Method 5. Use original USB cable. When your PS5 is overheating, it can be due to third-party USB cables. So, always use original USB cable provided with your PS5. Using the official cable ensures a stable connection and helps troubleshoot any connectivity and overheating issues. When you attach the USB cable, you should see a charging light or on-screen notification confirming that the controller is charging. If it doesn't work, there might be an issue with the controller itself or the cable you are using. So consider trying a different cable. Method 6. Ensure proper ventilation. To ensure proper ventilation for your PS5, place it in a well-ventilated area with plenty of space around it. Avoid enclosed spaces or tight corners where airflow is restricted. Using the stand or a cooling stand to elevate your PS5 can also improve airflow around the console and prevent it from sitting on surfaces that can trap heat. This setup helps keep your PS5 cool and running smoothly during extended gaming sessions. Method 7. Rebuild PS5 database. Next, you can rebuild database. Rebuilding the database can improve system performance and fix software glitches that can be responsible for heating up the system. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it is not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take 5 to 8 seconds. Connect to DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller, then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 8. Reset all settings. If the methods shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as new and try to log in. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and save data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to the console settings. Then select System. From System Software, go to the Reset options. Select Reset Your Console option. Confirm if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Turn on your PS5 and check if the cooling fan is spinning properly. Use the console as you normally would to see if the overheating issue is resolved. Method 9. Contact support. Overheating issues can be due to internal hardware problems. So if the previous methods could not fix that, then contact the PlayStation support. Your device might require repair or replacement. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when the PS5 console is getting overheated. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.